If you want to add a payment gateway in Framer, the main thing to understand is that Framer doesn't have native payment processing built in. Instead, you connect your buttons to third-party payment providers. The simplest method is using payment links from platforms like Stripe. Inside your Stripe dashboard, create a product and generate a payment link. Then, go back to Framer, add a button to your page, select it, click Link in the Properties panel, and paste your Stripe payment URL. Once published, users will be redirected to Stripe's secure checkout page. You can also use platforms like Squeezy or Gumroad. The process is similar. Create your product, generate a checkout link, and connect that link to a button in Framer. Another option is using Checkout Page, which allows you to create a hosted checkout and either link to it or embed it directly into your site using Framer's Embed component for a smoother experience. For more advanced setups, you can use plugins like Dodo Payments for hosted or overlay checkouts, or even create a custom code component in Framer to embed JavaScript or React-based payment forms. In short, create your product in your chosen provider, generate the checkout link, connect it to a button in Framer, and publish your site to test the live payment flow.